Good afternoon, folks. Today we decided to shoot a video for you to help you better understand the two different system the Cleantex company is actually running as far as whole system and the hoses and connection to the brush. So I would like to start with a VCMO system, which is for those they would like to use modular poles, and most likely they want to clean mostly residential solar installations. However, with this system you can also clean the commercial ones. So, and later I'll show you the telescopic one, which is probably meant to clean the commercial only, like you can see on the poster right here. When you have a large type of roof like that and you would like to regularly extend, your brush, so thus we have a telescopic poles. So let's start the VCMO. So VCMO, there are a few differences, and we're gonna show you, so you will make a better decision which system you wanna invest in. So this is the gooseneck, which we call the VCMO gooseneck to connect the brush right here. Just take the yellow cap off. You don't need it over there. So you gain aluminum and the stainless steel, very durable, very efficient, and very clever. So that hexagon is actually right here in the pin as well. So fit perfectly. So that means the gooseneck will stay perfectly in the 90-degree position towards the brush. So you just put it like that inside. You make a couple of screws right here, and you go all the way to the down, and you prepare the brush to connect with the VCMO poles. So with the VCMO poles comes also VCMO hose. So here's the configuration what you will get from us. So it's basically male-male combination, because one end will go into the pressure washer and the another one end will go into the high capacity and very durable valve. So it goes right here, and then you just very quickly connect with the brush right here. So the reason we do that is when you start your pressure washer, you need to release the air from the lines. And to make it very simple and especially safe for you, you will have this valve at the end of the hose, so you can release all the air and all the water, maybe possibly some dirt from your lines. And when you are ready to clean, you can just shut it off. The valve will perfectly hold a high pressure, which is 1800 psi. You reconnect with your brush, and then you release the pressure, and you'll be ready. But then that moment the brush will be spinning, and you will be ready to clean. So here's the modular pole right here. It's approximately 6 feet tall, very light, very durable, with a very simple lock right here, which I like to actually put on the left side, because I'm cleaning from this side, so right side, so I like to stand on the left side. However, you put it together with your brush very simply. Make sure it goes over the O-ring. Okay, so put it over, secure it, then you just put your hose, you connect it with a valve, and you are basically ready to go. So from us you can get mostly 6, also 8 poles. Perfectly wrapped in this bag. So that's the VCMO. With the VCMO comes also the sand filter. We like to put it on the source of the water, so to filter all kind of particles they might be in the water. Okay, so that's the VCMO. And matter of fact, I almost forgot, here's another thing, that's another safety feature. So the VCMO poles now, they are coming with a silicone sleeve to protect you from the some kind of accidents, or stuff where you might be cleaning let's say solar panels. They are totally covered with a soiling. You don't see the crack, or maybe open the panels and you might be electrocuted with a 600 volts, and that sleeve will protect you. Also, here's a small improvement. The Cleantex came up recently, so here is a very small extension, and it has a sleeve made from the silicone as well. So I really like it. It's a great feature. They made a huge steps forward to protect you guys. So while you are cleaning, so That's a VCMO. Very briefly, the VCTE. One thing I forgot to mention, telescopic system is great, like I said, for the large commercial roofs. But if you are thinking to clean the small residential installations with a telescope, you'll be just carrying extra weight, which is not necessary. So from those reasons and the purposes, my customers, they decided to have the modular poles where they can put 2-3 poles, and it's much lighter. Basically you are reducing the weight to like 1/3, and it's obviously better system to work with. When you have a ultralight modular pole system. So again, both systems are coming with a sand filter. So it's a good thing to put a sand filter on the source of the water, whether it is the water babe, or sometimes we are using actually the water tanks. So all particles or sand or whatever is there, the filter will perfectly remove it from the water. And as Diana mentioned, you have another filter right here inside of the pin, jet pin. So you have to pay attention what's going on right here. She showed you in the previous videos, how to remove it. So I will not waste your time. So you can find it on our videos. So that's pretty much it. So I hope you enjoyed my show today, and I hope I showed you the two differences between those two systems. So if you have any questions, please call us or call Diana. You can find our connections on our website, which is Pro Solar Clean, and also you can go directly to our e-store, which is Solar Clean Techs. Okay, so that's pretty much it. So VCTE and VCMO differences. There we go.